Video ko dito.
Nindot ang kwanto nyo ang sunset. We had to stop and do the sunset thing. Oh, there's a parking spot here. Sige, ikaw na dahil. Kaya pala, sige nalabay. Ilang-ulang po. Ulang po sila lang kung bala. Sila niya.
Napig mo dayon mo din.
Napig mo, sundagan na yung tusuok.
Ang box dagat.
No, she's high for unsafe. Ellie, would you like some ice cream? Cling, cling, cling. Okay. Oh yeah, you cannot have that kind of ice cream. I know.
Does it got coconuts on it? That's a baby coconut. It's like the size of this.
She's so. Hang on. You guys should see her reaction. She says, "Look, there's stuff on the trees." And I was like, "What are you talking about?" I was thinking that she's talking of a bug on a tree or something. But there's a coconut.
We don't see the
That's a coconut fruit. I mean, that's, you know. It's like this. Oh my goodness! See, guys, there's a lot of things that we took for granted. But she is just so excited to see. You can touch it. Come on. You
Touch it.
Touch. Touch it. Can you do that? Oh my goodness, look! I'm so touched a little bit. What?
There's hardly any coconuts in Florida.
Hey, so that. Try it again. See if I can. Give it to me. Okay. Okay. Get her up. Get her up. Okay, say okay.
Don't
One.
do it mo.
That is so cool. Ellie, you've experienced a lot. That's your your first travel, and you get all this experience. And do you have fun so far? Oh, that's good. So my goodness, that was just so cool. I like it a lot. Oh, guys, it's just so funny. It's kind of like, it's so interesting how she reacted to that, and it makes us all get excited. So one of the things that what? Oh, I know that. I thought that there's kind of like a bug or something like a monkey. A monkey on the tree, but yeah, it was. I was shocked too, but hey.
And it's just a coconut.
As if like, well, of course, you've seen coconut before, but you haven't seen the coconut on the tree itself attached.
Yeah.
So that's you know, it's,
It
feels like coconut.
yeah, coconut.
So yeah, it was our first day out, but it's so fun so far. It's because it's just nice to kind of have this experience for the people that never been here before. And so just seeing the coconut tree itself in person, because what happened is what we see there is like coconut already on the shelf, right? And that's actually without the husk. It's just like the coconut.
Well, it's the brown coconut with the.
Yeah, it's a brown coconut, and this is a young coconut.
Yeah.
And on top of that, this coconut are like shorter tree.
Yeah.
Oh, I can
Yeah,
even.
which is why I didn't know what it was. I was like, what is that? Because our trees for coconuts are like taller.
Taller. Do we have taller coconut tree here too?
Oh yeah.
But this one here is kind of like a little bit of a decorative coconut,
Oh.
but it's fruit bearing.
Oh.
Yep. So anyway, this is the boulevard right here. We're on the boulevard, and this side is like the ocean, you know. And then on that side, just across the street, those are the food stalls. And since we have limited time tonight, I won't be able to show you guys yet the food and its food stalls. But I should get some views or footage next time. But see how all the motorcycle people are riding on their motorcycle, and then just enjoying the weather. So, and that's what we're trying to enjoy here as well. So you guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and at least being patient to wait for more uploads. I was hoping to get an upload every day, but depends on how we feel. But so far we have a good time. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon. It's just a lot of things, especially this time of the year, guys. There's a lot of light decorations on the trees, and and everything else. So, oh, okay, look, they have some big what are those big containers, caldero? So guys, the crew, the young ones, are decided to we're gonna try the tempura. Is that chicken tempura? What is it?
Fish.
Oh, fish tempura.
The real more shark.
Huh?
It's made of shark.
No, it's not. Better not. We're not gonna have it.
It's made a great one.
You know, it's a kid.
Oh, no.
It's made of shark.
Whatever. But
Yeah, it's
so
okay.
we're heading to the one of the food stalls that sells tempura. So that's gonna be our treat for today. And of course,
It's just fish. It's made of fish.
it's her treat for today too. We're gonna have her try a tempura. So.
See, that's what's going on, and a lot of vehicles can't pass already. So it's basically the road leading to the highway is fine. It's just a lot of the roads leading outside the highways are clogged. So that's what's going on. Yeah, and go like this, and then that's leading to our apartment. Excuse me, sorry, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I hope it doesn't rain, because if it rains some more, then there's gonna be problems for sure. Oh my gosh, look at the little Dachshunds. Those, oh my gosh, the hot dog dogs. For sure, they can't cross the water because they're so short. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at their little legs. Anywho, heading back to the apartment. The taller vehicles don't have problems, but I don't know about that area. See this one, the taller pickup, that doesn't have problems crossing. Ours, I'm not sure.